Hi everybody, it's Dan and welcome back to my kitchen. Today we're making chocolate peppermint donuts. These baked donuts are going to be soft and tender with a light kiss of peppermint flavor and smooth marshmallow buttercream frosting. Because they are chocolate and they are peppermint, and this time of the year, it's my favorite because I love everything peppermint, I love everything chocolate, so these chocolate peppermint donuts are going to be perfect. I'll be sure to throw a link to the recipe down below in the description. And stay tuned at the end of the video for more information about the KitchenAid Stand Mixers giveaway. Now let's go ahead and preheat your oven to 350 degrees and get started on pretty much the best donut this holiday season. Yeah, I'm gonna say it. Best donut this holiday season. So our first step is to whisk together all of our dry ingredients. So grab your mixing bowl and to that start adding in your flour, brown sugar, your cocoa powder, your salt, your baking powder, and your baking soda. And then give that a quick little whisk. Now that that's all whisked together, go ahead and scoot that aside. Grab another mixing bowl and start adding in your egg, your sour cream, your oil, your milk, your vanilla, and your peppermint. And then beat on a medium-high speed until all those ingredients are fully combined and mixed well together. So we have our wet mixture, we have our dry mixture. Now it's time to go ahead and add them both together and mix on a low speed with our hand mixer until our donut batter is just incorporated and smooth. Now after a couple of quick easy steps for our chocolate donut batter, it is time to go ahead and transfer these to our donut pans. So you can do this with a piping bag, or you can do this with a spoon or a Ziploc bag with the tip cut off. Me personally, I like to use a piping bag, gives me more control with how much donut batter is going into the donut pans, because we want to leave about 1/4 to 1/2 inch of space because these donuts will puff up a little bit while they're baking in the oven. Go ahead, pop your donut pans in the oven and let bake for a good 10 to 12 minutes, or until the donuts slightly spring back after, a little holiday tap. So our donuts have baked, they've cooled. I let them cool in the donut pan for 5 minutes before removing and letting them cool on a cooling rack. But now it is time to decorate. Now I went ahead and painted some green stripes inside the piping bag before I put the buttercream frosting in to kind of give it that nice striped peppermint look to it. But we're gonna go ahead and pipe on little kisses of marshmallow buttercream frosting. But as you start piping on your marshmallow buttercream frosting, you will see those green stripes really starting to pop and give that nice peppermint color. Or you can spread on the marshmallow buttercream frosting if you wanna keep it nice and easy and simple. Either way, these donuts are gonna be so good. And then just sprinkle on some holiday sprinkles. And after a couple of quick, easy steps, you will have the perfect chocolate peppermint donut, packed with that rich milk chocolate flavor, that light kiss of peppermint, and smooth marshmallow buttercream frosting. And some festive holiday sprinkles, which take these donuts to the top of the list, so I know you will definitely be having more than one. Well, I know I will. You should too. They're so good. They're delicious. Chocolate peppermint, you can't go wrong. Thank you guys for stopping by. I had so much fun making these chocolate peppermint donuts. For me, the holidays especially, the chocolate and peppermint combo is just, can I say it? I'm gonna say it. Almost as good, if not better, than the chocolate peanut butter combo. It's just, I said it. It's so good. It's delicious. But if you like chocolate and you like peppermint and you like that chocolate peppermint combo like I do, definitely give this video a thumbs up. Helps me out, lets me know I'm baking up recipes you all like, you enjoy, and you want to see more of. And while you're down there giving this video a thumbs up, definitely click that subscribe button and ring the bell to receive notifications every time I post a new video, so you don't miss out on any more yummy, delicious recipes I have coming up here in the kitchen. Plus, I still have 20 KitchenAid mixers to give away, so if you haven't already, be sure to enter down below. Once you enter the giveaway, you'll have 20 chances to win, and lots of ways to enter. Lastly, don't forget, if you make your own chocolate peppermint donuts or your own peppermint inspired dessert, definitely give a tag on Instagram and let me see what you're baking up in your kitchen. Alrighty, well, I'm gonna grab a donut, I'm gonna grab my coffee, I'm gonna enjoy the day. I hope you all get to do the same. I hope you all having a great start to the holiday season. And as always, I will see you all in the next video very soon. Bye!